Great day, folks. This is Reginald Adams checking in from the Wortham Center here at Fish Plaza, and we are at the forefront, beginning of a new opera, El Recuerdo, which is a opera part of a 5-opera series created and provided by the Houston Grand Opera right here in Houston, Texas. And I'm very fortunate to be able to transform this ordinary place into a sacred space with an LED tea light labyrinth, with the intention to create sacred spaces for the public and combining these very unique cultural and artistic genres. And so we have a sound healer, Sophie, who's blessing us with high frequency vibrations on the cusp of a full moon tonight, and the wonderful audience of folks here to walk the labyrinth and tap into the wisdom of this ancient archetype. And so I'm very thankful as an artist, as a public artist and a labyrinth builder here in the Houston area, to be able to bring these types of spiritual experiences to the general public, to the masses. And I'm very thankful to the Houston Grand Opera for this opportunity for me to be able to live out my spirituality and my creativity in the public realm.